Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. Yeah, I'm back again. It's been so long that I haven't posted any video, but I was missing that creative side of mine. So I was like, let's start vlogging. And fun fact, I was living in Indiana before, right? Now I've moved to Baltimore, Maryland for my new job, and it is treating me so good. Uh, and I'm driving towards Virginia, and Virginia was one of the major reason I moved. One of the major reason that I chose Maryland because Virginia is a neighboring state, and I wanted to explore Virginia, Pennsylvania, and the roads of Virginia are so beautiful. Like I'm from India, right? Like no shit there. And driving through Virginia, like the highways of Virginia are very similar to India, so it's giving me a nostalgia vibe, and I was like missing my Mumbai to go on a road trip, but yeah. So this is a long weekend. I was like, let's go for camping, and I'm going to a national park called Shenandoah National Park, which is one of the very famous national park around this area. And this is my first time going there, so I'm hoping to do some crazy adventure there. And this is the park entrance, and there is a small queue at 7 in the evening. So this park is something. All the campgrounds are full. So this is the next day. It's early in the morning, and yesterday I just like reached around my uh, campground around like 7, and I set up my tent, and there was also a show at the amphitheater of the campground, so I just attended that, and then I had like a quick dinner, and then I slept early because today I'm going to do a hike called uh, Old Rag Mountain, which is like the toughest hike in this area, and this is the reason I came here. And you have to like get a pass before coming and doing this hike. So yeah, and there are like a lot of people here, which is crazy. And the sad part about it is like my campground is like 1.5 hour away, so I had to drive like so much. I don't like driving anymore, it's so exhausting, so I had to get up at like 5 in the morning today to come here. And right now it's like 8, so this is the first time I have woken up at 5 in the morning at a campground, which is crazy. So yeah, let's go, let's see how it goes. A lot of people, and it's gonna be a good day. I feel it's gonna be a good day. The hike is about like, it takes around like 5 to 8 hours depending on how fast you go. Some people even do it in 3 hours. I'm gonna take it slow. It has been just like 5 minutes that I started this hike, and I'm already like out of breath. It's gonna be a crazy day, bro. Gonna be a crazy day. Let's see. Damn, it's like all elevated, bro. I think it's like a 2000 feet elevation. It's gonna be a good training day for me. So it's been like 3 hours that I've been hiking, and now the cool views are coming up. Look at this view. This is one of the reasons that I like to do big hikes. What a view, man. Imagine this view in the fall. It's gonna be spectacular. But yeah, forget it. Look at this. This is how you hike. You need to like bend down and cross. So tough. Oh my god, dude. This is one of the most difficult hike that I've done. I mean, like the other difficult hikes that I've done, it did not involve rocks like climbing, but here I have to like climb by my own hands. I need to use my hands for this hike. Fucking crazy, bro. Oh my god. And the problem is like I have such a big backpack, but sometimes it was hard for me to like squeeze in, and that is creating a lot of issues. So if you're coming on this hike, make sure you have a backpack which is like smaller. But what a rush, man. What a adrenaline rush. I love my body. Fuck. I literally have to go from here, climb all those stones or rocks. So I finally made it. It is 3,291 elevation. I was wrong. It was not 2,000. It was 3,200. So that side is the summit. That side is the summit. And this trail is like more 5.2 miles. So let's check out the summit. So proud of myself, bro. Wow. Crazy. This is the summit. And I'm just sitting on the rock, having fun, chilling. I just drank my protein milkshake, and it's very windy here, but yeah, it's fun. I'm gonna chill here for 30 minutes more, and then I'm gonna head back home. So I'm just like going to the parking, ending the hike, and I came across this beautiful river, so I just like thought of like sitting here. I came from this bridge and the sun is looking so good. And finally I've done this hike. Ooh, let's go. It's almost like 2 now. So I'm happy that I have a lot of time for the sunsets. I can do a lot of things. I can cook, and of course I need to drive home back, which is like 1.5 hours. Not home, like campground. But what a beautiful hike. You know what's the best part about being a human? You can have a shower after a hike, and that feeling is completely unmatchable. This is a camp store where you can like shower and everything, but it feels so good after showering, man. I'm back at the campsite again and just like cooking some avocado, boiling some egg, making some beef patty. Life is good. So today is the next morning and today I'm going home. But yesterday night was so chilly. I got up like so many times because the temperature was like 8 degrees Celsius. And right now I'm thinking of like doing something before going home. So for the ideal plan was to like there's a road called Skyline Drive, which is going through the whole national park, and it's a 108 miles road. But I was thinking of just doing like a 40-mile bike ride, but then I also feel like doing kayaking because the weather is so nice. So let's see. So I got this beautiful sticker and I'm gonna stick it here, I guess. And my Vermont and New Hampshire stickers are almost like wound off, so I guess I have to visit Vermont and New Hampshire for the new stickers. And now it's like 8 hours drive from Maryland to Vermont. And if you guys don't know, Vermont is my one of my favorite state in the United States, and I have a really big history of going to Vermont again and again when I was living in East Coast. So I'm here, they're gonna drive me to here, and then I have to kayak all the way here. It is also a 2-day trip that you can do from here, and then just like camp along the river. This is a cool thing that I can do in the future. Yeah, the kayaks are back. It's my first time experiencing it. Okay, so I have taken the paddle, I've taken the kayak, and then I have to drag all the way from there, and my shoes are all wet. And now I'm gonna just like start paddling towards the what is it called, towards the store. Okay, so I'm in the water, and the thing is like I'm gonna face like class 2 rapid, but I'm gonna chill. And like there are 2 islands as well, very not crazy island but small islands, and I would be just like chilling there, I guess. But I'm a little scared about the rapids. He mentioned like how to fall. The only thing I'm scared about is like getting wet, like getting out of this boat if the rapid pushes me, because like my phone's back cover is all broken, so water can go inside. So basically if my backpack gets wet, then my phone is gone. So let's see how it goes. I'm coming here. Rapids, I'm coming. Oh my god. I'm not gonna go through the rapids. I'm gonna try not to go through it. Okay. Yeah. I don't want to get wet. Otherwise I would have gotten it. So I'm just like stuck on this rock in the middle of the river. And now I have to like push myself up to like move the kayak. That is so annoying, but I hope I just don't fall, man. I don't want to fall. Let's see how I can like cross this thing. Okay. Oh, I think I need to like go from there where the water is there. Okay, this is annoying, but let me try that. So this is the island that I was talking about. It's so crazy, but it's just an island though, and there's also one more island in front. Yeah, so the rapids are gone, and now it's such a lazy, chill day. As I said, like the weather is perfect because like sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's like cloudy, so it's a mix of both worlds. And there's like a slow wind is coming towards it, and it's like touching my face, and I feel so good, man. So good. I was very like in dilemma of like going home because I was feeling tired, but I was like, I'll be tired tomorrow as well. You have to like force your brain to like do things that you like, or force your body. And to be honest, I love this kind of activities where I'm like not just like sitting, but I'm doing some kind of physical exercise, because it helps you realize that what your body is capable of and what it is lacking, so you can work on that. For example, yesterday's hike was like so tough, and I realized that I need more upper body, even though I do like upper body training, but I need to do that more, so that when my hands need to pull myself up, they should be able to do it. But yeah, being in the wild just teaches you stuff about yourself more than anyone else can do. That's for sure.
So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video till here, and thank you for coming with me on a camping trip. The drive was very tiring, and I think I'm gonna just sleep for 14 hours now and then go to work. So adios and have a happy life.